She's a good girl. Hi, Brandy. Hi, sweetie. Hi, Brandy. Hi, Pupper. This is Brandy. She's about 3 years old. She's very sweet, has beautiful eyes. Terrier mixed girl. She had surgery on both of her knees, but that's all healed up now, so she's ready for a home. And we have her in a foster home in Kelowna, and she is ready to meet her new family. If you want to apply for her, email us. Candy bear. He's waiting. Brandy is very good with other dogs, and we don't know how she's with cats, so better a home without cats. Brandy. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. You good puppy? You good puppy? Oh, hi, sweetie. Hi. Lots of other dogs want attention here, huh?